How is pain and suffering calculated using the multiplier method in personal injury? Imagine recovering from an injury and wondering how the amount of money for your pain and suffering is decided. Well, the multiplier method is a common way to figure this out. It all starts with adding up your economic damages, which are the clear costs you face. These include your medical bills, lost wages, and sometimes future earnings if your injury affects your work long-term. For example, if your medical bills totaled $20,000 and you lost $6,000 in wages, your total economic damages would be $26,000. Next, a number called a multiplier is chosen. This number usually ranges from 1.5 to 5. The multiplier is based on how serious your injury is and how much it impacts your life. If your injury is minor, like a sprain or small fracture, the multiplier might be around 1.5 or 2. But if your injury is severe or permanent, the multiplier could be as high as 4 or 5. Factors that influence this choice include how long it takes to recover, ongoing pain, emotional distress, and whether the injury causes permanent damage. Once the multiplier is selected, you multiply your total economic damages by that number. For instance, if your economic damages are $26,000 and your multiplier is 3, then your pain and suffering damages would be calculated as $81,000. This method makes it easier to assign a dollar value to the pain and emotional distress that are harder to quantify. It is important to remember that the multiplier is not set in stone. It can change based on the specifics of your case. For example, if your recovery takes longer than expected or if you experience ongoing pain, the multiplier might be higher. Conversely, if your injury is minor and heals quickly, the multiplier might be lower. This approach helps balance the tangible costs like medical bills with the less tangible suffering you endure. It provides a straightforward way for courts and insurance companies to estimate fair compensation. While it is not perfect, it is widely used because it considers both the financial and emotional toll of an injury. So, in essence, the multiplier method takes your economic damages and multiplies them by a number that reflects how badly the injury has affected your life, giving a clear figure for pain and suffering damages.